The story of human work is changing, and probably faster than we realize. For centuries, people have built the world with their own hands. From the first factories to modern offices, human effort has been the main engine of economy, innovation, and even identity. Because for many people, work is not just about earning money. It is about feeling useful, growing, and being part of something bigger. But something new is happening. While millions of people answer emails, assemble products, drive vehicles, or serve customers, robots are learning to do exactly the same things. And not only that, in many cases, they do it faster, more accurately, and without ever getting tired. Imagine a traditional factory. The noise of machines, workers focused, hands moving carefully to assemble every part. Now imagine that same factory years later. The lights are still on, the machines are still running, but there are no people on the production line, only robots working non-stop, 24 hours a day. This is no longer science fiction. Robots are beginning to replace jobs in supermarkets, hospitals, offices, transportation, construction, and even creative and technological tasks. They can analyze data in seconds, perform surgeries with microscopic precision, and manage entire systems without human error. And this is where the big question appears. What happens to people when machines begin to do their jobs? For some, this technological revolution feels like a threat. Thousands of workers are already experiencing uncertainty. Professions that once felt secure are starting to change or even disappear. In many cities around the world, the fear of being left behind is quietly growing. Because work does not just pay bills, it builds routines, dreams, stability, and often self-worth. But this story has another side. Throughout history, every technological revolution has changed existing jobs, but it has also created new ones. When industrial machines first appeared, many people feared losing everything. Yet new professions emerged that had never existed before. Today, we're living through something similar, but on a much larger scale. Robots can perform extreme physical tasks, process massive amounts of information, and manage entire systems without human error. And then another even bigger question appears. If robots can do the hardest work, what will humans do? Maybe the future of work will not disappear, but evolve. It could become a world where robots build infrastructure, maintain cities, and handle technical operations, while humans focus on creativity, leadership, research, education, art, innovation, and emotional connection. Robots can calculate, but they do not feel. Robots can execute commands, but they do not dream. And perhaps that difference will define the future. Imagine hospitals where robots assist in surgeries, while doctors and nurses provide genuine human care and emotional support. Imagine schools where artificial intelligence teaches technical knowledge, while teachers inspire creativity, critical thinking, and personal growth. Imagine cities where heavy labor is automated, allowing people to explore new ideas, careers, and ways of living. However, this transformation will not be easy. The transition between today's job market and a fully automated future may become one of the greatest social challenges of our generation. Adapting will mean learning new skills, reinventing professions, and rethinking how we define work and success. The question is no longer whether robots will replace some jobs. The real question is, are we prepared to redefine the role of humans in a world where we are no longer the main productive force? Perhaps the future of work will not be a battle between humans and machines. Perhaps it will be a collaboration, a balance where technology amplifies the best parts of humanity instead of replacing them. Because in the end, progress does not depend only on what machines can do, but on what we choose to do with them. The future of work has not been written yet, and strangely enough, it may depend more on human creativity than ever before in history.